Hi, I'm Millen.
And I'm Sebastian.
And we're with Bosky Inc. Today we're featuring our bathroom packages. I think this remodel was one of the most drastic before and afters. I'm so excited for you guys to see how big of a change this space was.
Yeah, it was a pretty big transformation. What happened was we kind of rearranged the whole layout of the washroom. Previously, you walked in and there was a vanity in front of you. The washroom where you have your shower and your toilet was in a separate area, and then there was a closet space. So what we've done is we've combined two of the spaces in one and also left the closet space remaining for the client.
The bathroom was super outdated. I think it dated back to the 70's with carpets in the bathroom. So I know the clients really needed a new change in here. With our bathroom packages, the great thing is we put together these packages so that it's really easy for clients to select everything you need for a shower. Your tile, your fixtures, your tub, and your vanity. This is a perfect example of our shower and tub package. Seb's going to run you through some of the upgrades that the clients made here.
Yeah, so some of the upgrades that you'll notice in this shower is the niche that you see in the back end here. Our shower packages do come with a niche standard size at 12 by 12, but you can always upgrade to a larger format, different style at the same time. Some other added features include the glass door system, your standalone tub with faucet, and a double vanity.
This bathroom features a Millen tub, a standalone tub. We're doing a ton of these right now. They're really popular. They're very modern looking now. People aren't really liking those drop-in tubs anymore with the tiling around it. Again, just saves more space as well, but still gets you to have a tub and a shower in the same space. Check out the tile on the floor. It's a beautiful 24 by 24 Calcutta, so it's beautiful marble imitation that balances out beautifully with the countertops on the vanity.
So in this project, we've also replaced a couple of the windows in the washroom. You'll notice they're awning windows with frosted finish, something that really adds to the overall feel of the washroom. We get our windows manufactured at Wardco, which is located in Burlington, and we'd be happy to do a window installation for your entire home or one or two replacement windows if you'd like.
Behind me, you'll see a door on a track. Typically, we call this a barn door, but you can take any profile door and put it on a track. And it's a great space saver, so you don't have a door swinging in or out. For this closet space, this is ideal so that the door just slides to the side and we have an ample room in the closet. We did a nice U-shaped closet here and did some organization for the client.
So another add-on that we have in this bathroom package here, you'll notice are the pot lights and the additional fixtures, so the electrical work. And we also have a ceiling vent. Now, previously old codes did not require a vent in the washrooms, but now new codes do require a ventilation system in each washroom, regardless of whether there's windows or not. So that's another upgrade that you can include in your bathroom package when remodeling your washroom.
We're in bathroom number 2. So in our bathroom packages, we feature 4 different packages. This one would be your tub to shower conversion. Previously there was a tub here. We added glass, a niche inside. Another upgrade that we did here was actually from our base package shower fixture. We did an upgrade to a handheld and a waterfall shower head. Another upgrade was a double sink here with the vanity.
Another feature that we also included here was another glass door system. Now this is a swinging glass door, 2-panel, and also a larger niche, an upgraded size.
So the amazing thing about our 2,000 square foot showroom is that we feature all these tiles, we feature all these vanities, and all the fixtures all in our showroom. So clients can come in there, pick their colors, play with paint swatches, and bring their whole look all together. We also include 3D renders. So in both of these projects, we did full 3D renders with the materials included in the drawings so that the client got a visual of what her bathroom is going to look like before we even got started.
A lot of people find these visuals very helpful when deciding their final color choices and patterns for their entire washroom look.
Yeah, I think it's super helpful.
For sure. So another add-on for this washroom was also the pot lights and the vent fan. Vent fan, we actually put on a timer switch, so it's pretty convenient. You can set your fan for 15, 20, 30, or 45 minutes and let it run as long as necessary.
We'd love to have you visit our showroom where you can pick all your tiles, all your fixtures, everything that you need for your bathroom. We also supply kitchen cabinets, flooring, stairs, and a lot more accessories to finish a complete remodel in your home.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and check out our website. And we'd be looking forward to working with you on your next project.
Awesome, another one done.
Another one done.